Welcome back to AB Car Reviews, and today we're stepping back in time to explore a true icon of American automotive history, the 1924 Packard 8. This car isn't just a machine, it's a symbol of luxury, craftsmanship, and innovation from an era when driving was a refined experience, not just a way to get from point A to point B. Let's begin with the first impression, its exterior. The 1924 Packard 8 stands tall and elegant, a perfect blend of function and classic style. It's nearly 18 feet long, with sweeping fenders, a tall, upright grille, and massive headlights that give it a commanding road presence. The signature Packard hood ornament, often a cormorant or the goddess of speed, adds a regal touch. You'll find polished chrome details everywhere, on the bumpers, radiator shell, and along the body lines, reflecting the era's obsession with craftsmanship. The wooden spoked wheels and wide whitewall tires complete that vintage, aristocratic vibe. Step inside, and you're met with a level of interior sophistication that's rare even by modern luxury standards. The cabin is dressed in fine wool upholstery or hand-stitched leather, depending on the trim. Wood paneling, often made from real mahogany or walnut, lines the dashboard and door frames. The gauges are analog, simple but elegant, with a heavy Art Deco influence. Everything from the steering wheel to the door handles has a tactile, mechanical feel. Rear passengers are treated like royalty, with plush seating, ample legroom, and features like fold-out footrests, smoking kits, and even vanity mirrors built into the doors. This wasn't just a car, it was a mobile salon for the upper class. Now, onto performance. Under the hood, the 1924 Packard 8 came equipped with a straight 8 engine, one of the first of its kind. It delivered about 85 horsepower, which was very respectable at the time. The car could cruise comfortably at 45 to 50 miles per hour, and while it wasn't a speed demon, it offered smooth, reliable performance thanks to its well-balanced engine and advanced engineering for its day. The 3-speed manual gearbox was precise, and Packard's suspension setup made for a surprisingly smooth ride over unpaved roads of the 1920s. It was marketed with the slogan, "Ask the man who owns one," and with good reason, owners consistently praised its durability and refinement. Now let's talk about price. Back in 1924, a Packard 8 would cost you around $3,000 to $4,000 depending on the body style and options, roughly equivalent to over $50,000 today. It was squarely aimed at the upper class, competing with Cadillac, Lincoln, and European marques like Rolls-Royce. Today, if you're lucky enough to find a well-preserved example, you're looking at anywhere from $60,000 to over $150,000, depending on the model, condition, and originality. So that's the 1924 Packard 8, a beautiful blend of elegance, engineering, and history. If you appreciate cars that were built with pride and driven with prestige, this Packard is the perfect reminder of what luxury once meant. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more vintage car reviews right here on AB Car Reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.